How to underline in Adobe Acrobat. Do you need to underline some text in Adobe Acrobat? It's super easy. Let me show you how. First thing first, open your PDF document in Acrobat. Then you will see this type of interface. Now on your left, you can see a lot of options. So what we need right now is to underline a text. For that, tap on this third option, which is also denoted by T. Tap on it, and that will open up three options for you. The first is highlight, underline, and strike out. As we are going to underline the text, simply tap on underline, which is the second option. Tap on it, and that will give you this icon or a tool. Now what you have to do is simply select the text which you want to underline. For example, I want to underline this warm welcome to all. Select it and boom, it's underlined. And what if you don't see this toolbar over here? There's another way too. For that, what you have to do is you can see find text and tools over here. Simply tap on search button over here and search for underline. You can see underline over here. Tap on it. Now as we did earlier, simply select the text that you want to underline, and that's it. You have underlined text in Adobe Acrobat. Pretty straightforward, right? Give it a go yourself and see how simple it is. That's all for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.